Hey guys, welcome to another Taco Tuesday. Today we're going to be doing molly panels, and depending how long it is, maybe I'll throw in another short one. So the console was already pre-marked. Now I'm using a smaller drill to drill a pilot hole, and then I'll swap out and use the correct size for the grommets. Need to apologize for the quality of this video. It's not easy being over 6 foot trying to work in the cabin, and this is still an early video where I thought that using autofocus would be a great idea. Now they supply a tool, as they call it, that helps to spread those grommets to keep them within that center console. And here I'm just spreading them out, getting them set and ready to apply the molly panel. All that click clacking you were hearing in the background is the crazy girlfriend coming into the room to wonder what the heck it is that I'm doing. I think it would really help the situation if I was more like an octopus, because you've got to hold the nut on the back, and then you've got to hold the wrench, and then you've got to use the ratchet to tighten everything down and get it snug. Wasn't fun, wasn't easy. Not that it's super difficult, it's easy to do, just you need a couple extra set of hands. Might also help if you had somebody else to help do the videotaping instead of just setting it up on a tripod. Hey gang, now would be a good time to tickle that thumbs up button. Helps with the algorithm and gets more people to see the videos and hopefully help the channel grow. Thanks. What do you want? I love you too. Okay, finally got all the grommets installed. Now I'm trying to put up the panel itself, having difficulty getting the screws to line up and to fit, and then the light bulb went off. Oh yeah, the spacers. There's a couple of different sizes that go in different areas. Duh. And voila, finally complete.